Today I'm going to be reviewing XIAODUN's military Faraday bag, RFID NFC blocking. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It's not very big. Here is my hand. It will fit a phone in here. It will fit your passport. Anything that can be read or emit signals, you put it in here, it's going to completely block it. If you're going on a trip to any country and you don't want people having access to your phones or your credit cards that have RFID chips or anything like that, this is going to completely block it. Comes with a nice carrying handle right there. This is what it looks like on the inside. Not very big, but like I said, you can fit a phone in here. You just roll it over here and it's sealed and nothing's getting out. But there is really good use cases because a lot of our credit cards, you tap them onto something. People can actually read those. They have special readers out there. So it's not paranoid to be worried about that, especially if you are going to other countries. This does really well on Amazon, 4.4 stars, 150 reviews. And last month, 1,000 plus of these were sold. So people are buying them, people are carrying them, and it's doing really well. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.